Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new closet. Today I just want to do a really quick decluttering my closet video. At my work I've taken on the role of being the community leader for my store. So basically as community leader I set up all of the charity work, all the donation drives, everything that we do to give back to the community. For next month I wanted to do a big donation drive for new and gently used clothes. It's for big brothers, big sisters, which is part of the Boys and Girls Club that we help out. Gonna go through everything really quickly. Can just go so I can make room for new and just make this a little less scary. Yeah, let's just get into my closet. Remember what my old closet used to look like in my bedroom. So now I get a much larger closet. It is a bit of a walk-in closet. I'm glad that it's big, but it's not huge. Like, I'm glad it's not like the size of another room because this is already too much. Like, this is more than enough space for what I need. Side with like the one little wall. That little piece is Jonah's, so we're not gonna mess with that. This is just a overview of my side of the closet. So it's the bigger wall and it has the two rails going across, which are completely packed. I have bags on the floor of new things I have bought, which I'm gonna include in a haul. And then I have my jeans on the floor. I have purses that have fallen. So kind of here's my setup for my closet, which isn't working. So up there, I have purses and bags. Now it's really up high and hard to reach, so they tend to fall on the floor. Across here, I have like tank tops, t-shirt, long sleeves, dresses. Now you step back. There is actually like a shelf here, which is awkward and hard to get to. But I kind of put like PJs in there folded and some pants with sweaters, long sleeves. Clearly you can tell with the hangers. I've been reaching for these because the weather's been awful. Loads of hoodies and stuff in the back. Over here I have a little clear set of drawers which holds like socks and undies, I don't know, swim. The very bottom of all this, I actually have a clear bin for like my leggings and my yoga pants. So it's a lot. This system is not working for me right now. I just have way too much stuff in this closet. This closet could work above and beyond for me, but I have stuffed it. It's kind of hard with tank tops because a lot of mine are brand new with I just find a lot of them on sale and then I've collected them and it was just a bad habit. So ones like this I'll probably get rid of. There's nothing wrong with it. It's literally just that it's not as white as it used to be and the neckline is a little bit low for me. This one as well, it's got a little bit of stains in the front. So I'll try to see if I can wash that out. If I can't, it'll probably just get turned into like a rag to clean with. Oh no, I broke a hanger. Guess I'm decluttering a hanger too. This tank top I might finally let go of. I've been wearing this a lot. The problem with this tank top is just that it's very, very wide and loose and it's actually too big for me. Free t-shirt. I have so many free t-shirts, it's ridiculous. Like, I have tons. I think I'm just gonna try to hold on to a couple of them that are like the softest and the nicest material, just for things like bleaching my hair or like, yeah, anything else that's extra than that, I'm just gonna donate. I have a couple of dark blue plain t-shirts. I'm actually doing so much better than I thought. I didn't think I would let go of this much, so yay! I have so many Canada ones, it's insane. Hold on to two that are literally the exact same, but they're the comfiest, and this gray one can go. This is just a plain long sleeve tee. It's white, a little bit worn, but I'm gonna move this to the front of my closet because there's some clothes I know if I just wear them a little bit more, they're gonna hit a point where I'm not gonna wanna wear them anymore because they're so worn, so still gonna hold on to it, but it's kind of like in the process of decluttering. Okay, some of the stuff down here, I'm just going to move out of my closet because it's the haul stuff. I'm gonna be showing this in a video before it gets worked into my closet. So yeah, there's a lot of jeans in this one. And right outside my closet door on the floor is an online order, which I have not dealt with, which will be part of my haul. So let's add to that. I feel like tees and tanks went pretty good. Sweaters aren't really gonna go as well. I declutter my sweaters a lot and I go through a lot because I'm a Canadian, so yeah. So this sweater is a maybe. It's just a plain long crew neck. I haven't really been wearing it that often, and if this will go in the maybe pile, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna donate this. Another free t-shirt. So many free t-shirts. Another tank top. Meh. These are all tank tops that should be on the top row. Why? Only done my shirts so far. It's looking really good. So I organized some of my shirts as I went as well, threw some of my bags up. It's definitely looking a bit better. Tell that there's definitely more space, especially up here. Like the clothes can move around. So that's exciting. Made some progress. Okay, so this is what I have so far for donating shirts. So 6 t-shirts to donate, sweater, and 4 tank tops. I'm gonna pull out a bunch of my bottoms and go through those and see if there's anything I can declutter there. This is some of my jeans. Just bought like 5 new pairs, so some of these definitely need to go. My jeans. So these jeans I'm definitely keeping. They're just a pair of basic lighter blue Old Navy jeans. They're skinnies. They are fit perfectly. They're like my best fitting jeans. This is a pair of American Eagle boyfriend jeans that I got at Value Village for like $5 and they fit phenomenally. So keep these as well. This pair I'm kind of iffy about. They're really old. They're from high school. They're so long, it's insane. But they're like a flared leg, but they're also too long for me, so the bottom is worn out. I really like that they are dark with like the light threading. They're a little bit baggy on me, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. Keep for sure. I got these from Value Village. They're like a really cool like gray acid wash. This pair I really think I'm gonna donate, even though they're so beautiful. They're a really nice wash. The threading is like white and blue. Really cool. I love these. They're just too big and I feel like they've always been too big. Oh man, I can't believe I might donate these. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. This pair I really like. A little bit too big, but they are like a skinny jean, really dark. I love all the gems and the detailing on these. The thing that frustrates me with these is that the thread that they are made with for some reason is super scratchy and painful on the inside. Okay, so I did a quick purge of that bin. I found this pair of black bootcut yoga pants. I don't know, fine. There's nothing wrong with them. The top is like a rollover top, which I'm not a fan of. And I'm pretty sure, honestly, these must be from like high school or junior high. And I hate the material. They're like, it like sticks. I mean, these aren't even a nice brand, so I'm just gonna donate these too. Maybe skinny compression active pants are the best. I will never get rid of any of these and I will keep hoarding them until I die because they are the best pants in the world. Found my favorite pair of shorts. Really light, tons of distressing, super cool. Organized some of the tanks and the tees. Down here, there's even more room. Together, went through my leggings bin and everything fits in there. The lid closes. My jeans are just on top folded and a pair of yoga pants to try, and my Kate Spade purse is right here. Definitely a lot neater. Things are actually fitting a little bit, so that's good. There's hangers all over my floor from Decluttering. There is my donation pile. I am going to donate the 2 jeans, the black yoga pants, and I found this pair of just dark maroon cotton leggings. They are insanely comfy. I just never wear that color, so I'm gonna let those go. And these jeans that I was still iffy about, I'm gonna try them on one last time, and if I don't like them, chances are they're going in the declutter pile too. So that is my after for everything I'm getting rid of. Pretty good considering I thought I'd have just 1 or 2 things. So thank you guys for watching today's very long, exhausting video. I hope this inspires you to clean out your closet as well and to give back to your community. If you like my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know when the last time is that you did a closet purge, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.